binary space partitioning. Optimized for game-level rendering, uses binary space partitioning (BSP) trees to pre-compute which objects are visible from different points, improving performance in large maps. Stores game environment data, contains geometry, textures, lighting, collision data, and entity placement for levels in first-person shooters, FPS, and other games. Pre-computed lighting and visibility. Many BSP-based engines use light maps for static lighting, reducing real-time computational load. Used in popular game engines. Found in games like Quake, Counter-Strike, Team Fortress 2, and other source engine-based titles. Game-level design. Game developers use BSP files to create, optimize, and render maps efficiently in FPS games. Collision detection and pathfinding. The BSP tree structure helps calculate player movement, hit detection, and AI navigation in 3D environments. Modding and custom maps. Many community-created maps for Quake, Half-Life, and Source games are distributed in BSP format. Despite newer game engines relying more on real-time rendering techniques like ray tracing, BSP remains valuable for classic game engines, modding communities, and efficient rendering in large static environments.